Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. And now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notifications on your browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.